So, hi, dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capi, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising from 20 till the 26th of January. The roles can be reversed also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my course. Link is in description. For personal readings or healing sessions, you can book your slots accordingly. Links are given in the description box. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass or Self-Love ebook, the links are given in the description box. You can buy that from there. For any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. Let's see, Cappies, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see, honey. Okay, I'll pick you up. We have the death and the rebirth. So, Cappies, there is some kind of connection or relationship that recently ended or about to end. But at the same time, there's a rebirth happening in the situation. Let's clarify what kind of rebirth it is, Cappies, what's happening. So, there is a definite ending or separation or breakup kind of a deal. At the same time, a rebirth also. We have the Three of Swords and the Death and the Seven of Swords. Three of Swords and the Star and the Seven of Swords. Wow. You're healing from a betrayal. So it's like both of you. This is someone who is feeling they're completely heartbroken from whatever happened between you and this particular person. Something came out to light, something may be related to a third party dynamic, something hurtful, something painful, and they're still healing in the process. Yeah, they're still in the healing process. But they're still hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine between you and them, even if things are going completely south from north. They are still hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine sooner or later in this connection, in this situation. It's a rebirth from their side that they're feeling like that everything is completely different, everything is completely reversed, but still hopeful. This is the end, but they're still hopeful. But this is what is happening. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? What's happening? We have the Nine of Cups. So from your side, you feel like keeping yourself as happy as you can and having a wish fulfillment. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Cups here. We have the Six of Wands and the Queen of Wands, the King of Swords. See, you feel like working on yourself as much as you can and remaining clear about your emotions, about your path, about your everything to everyone. Actually, it's not about a particular person or situation. You feel like remaining clear and honest with everything and everyone in your love and relationship area, as well as in your relationship area in general as well, and working on your own happiness. You feel like you should be your number one priority. Your happiness should be your number one priority, and you should be just happy and work on your own success and happiness and growth and victory and remain clear with everything and everyone. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? Knight of Pentacles. See, their intention is to stabilize the connection in some way, to bring back the maturity, the groundedness, the stability in the situation. If it was there, if not, now they want to have this stability in the connection. Let me clarify the Knight of Pentacles. What is happening? Somebody is heartbroken but not giving up. Some kind of disaster happened here. We have the King of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and the Knight of Wands, right? See, they want to give you the kind of happiness that you were hoping for from them from maybe quite a long time ago. Now this person wants to make sure that they are doing everything in their position, in their what we call that, in their control, that can make you happy and this connection a beautiful and stable connection. Now this person wants to do whatever they can do from their side in order to make this relationship between you and them a beautiful relationship, because now you don't care that much about it and you are clear what you want. Now they're picking up on your energies. I don't know, even if you are the one who messed up, this person wants to change things for the best in this connection, and they want to do whatever they can do from their side. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? We have the Sun card. So you want to just be happy. You just want to be happy. You just want to be clear about everything and everyone. You just want to share your energies with those people who have the same kind of vibes and the same kind of energies that you have. Let's clarify the Sun. We have the Queen of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Hierophant. Yeah, you know what kind of relationship you want. You know what kind of friendship kind of bonds you want. You know what kind of marriage material kind of energy you want in your life. You just are very, very clear in what you want and what kind of energies you want and what kind of person you want in your life. And you just want to attract and be with that kind of energy only. Everything else and everyone else should go and fuck themselves, because Capricorn here is in their power mode, and Capricorn here is in this energy of I know what I want and I know exactly what I want, nothing less than that. Universe, bring it on. You are in this energy right now. Very good. Okay, this is Capri's season only, so yeah, manifest your best life, honey. Best wishes. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 26th of January, honey. Cappies. We have the Eight of Swords. It's like overthinking at its peak. Overthinking at its peak. Continuously overthinking about what next, what next, what next, what next, kind of. Where's my person? Where's my energy? Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here, honey. We have the Death card, the Knight of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords. Someone that was something that was very stable till now, something that you were maybe taking for granted till now, is going to end out of nowhere. Some kind of stability out of a connection, out of a situation is going to be shaken up, and it's going to make you feel very worried, like scared and worried. My God, what is happening? So something that was working out quite nicely till this point will stop working out suddenly out of the blue, and it's going to give you a lot of anxiety, a lot of stressful energies of what next. See what is happening here is, Cappies, let me make you very clear that you are manifesting a very beautiful relationship where you know what you want, and that is why everything around you is kind of falling apart, because it's making room for for the manifestation that you are working on. So instead of getting all worried about it, just be happy that everything is happening for your highest good and everything is happening for your manifestation to come to fruition. You have to hold on to this energy of being happy and being clear in your energies, in your uh, intentions, and everything that's happening around you. Don't bother too much about it. Just keep going. Trust me. This is how it works. So for you, the guidance here is the Four of Cups. So the more you are going to be in the disappointment kind of energy, I always get disappointment in love. I always get like rejections in love. I never find good person. I never find good energies. The more you are going to attract these kind of energies towards you, even if you are very clear in your intentions and your feelings and whatever you feel, whatever you want. But at the same time, inside of you, deep inside of you, there is a fear, or maybe there is this energy of I don't deserve it, or whatever it is. You have to work on that core belief, core fear of yours, so that you can attract the right kind of energy that you deserve and hoping for and manifesting in your reality. Yeah, because the universe, you can't manipulate the universe. The universe works on the deep, 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 deep layer or deep feelings that you have, the belief that you have. So within deep inside of yourself, you have to understand that you deserve love, you want love, and the person that and the situation that you want is just around the corner. Then it's going to happen, magic. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.